In this video, I will show you how to clean hidden junk files from your computer and how to speed it up in under 1 minute. I am doing this on Windows 11, but it will work the same on Windows 10, 8, or even Windows 7. In our step 1, we are going to delete the temp file. On your keyboard, press Windows plus R. This will open a run menu. Just go ahead and type temp and then press OK. If you got this permission pop-up, just continue with that. And here we have a temporary file in our computer that we don't need anymore. Press Ctrl A on your computer and then delete temp file as many as you can here. And if few temp file remains behind, then don't worry about that. Just leave them. In the next quick step, again press Windows plus R and type percentage and then temp and again percentage sign. Again press OK. These are the temporary files created by your apps and Windows. Again press Ctrl A to select all files. Now press the delete button. It's asking for permission. Just go ahead and click on continue to give it permission to delete all files. And don't worry, this is completely safe. And also please consider like and subscribe ITPK. Some files could be deleted, but some will still remain here. So don't worry about that. Just delete them as many as you can. In the next quick step in your start menu, just go ahead and type disk cleanup. That's fine. Keep your C drive selected and click OK. After the calculation, you will get this window here. Now here you could just go ahead and tick all the boxes to clean up your computer. If you can see here, I just cleaned up my computer few days ago. That's why I'm getting only 2.40 GB. For deep cleanup, you could go ahead and also click on cleanup system file and you could repeat the same step. This will take a little more longer. Now here you will get a lot other options to get the files cleaned up. Select the file you want to clean and click OK. You will get this question, are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Yes, that's fine. Just go ahead and delete them. So, by these two ways of cleaning up your system drive could also increase your system performance. Again, don't get worried about that. This will not delete your important files and folders. Now in the final step, again press Windows icon and R and here type prefetch. Just go ahead and click on OK. You will get this permission pop-up. Just go ahead and select continue. Here again press Ctrl A to select all of these files, right click and delete them. These are just old Windows launch files, and Windows will recreate these files automatically if needed. After deleting the file as much as we could do, just go ahead and skip and we only got 3 files here. And that's it about today's quick video. We have performed few simple steps to delete and remove hidden junk from our PC to make our PC more faster. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe ITPK. Bye.